Today, we're making a special chicken fried rice recipe with my secret ingredient for $1. This easy chicken recipe is a great option for lunch or dinner and is a fantastic meal prep option. There's very little prep work involved, making it great for busy weeks. Fried rice is one of those essential dishes you gotta learn how to make and enjoy, so be sure to give this one a try. Like I said, there's a special ingredient I like to use that makes this fried rice extra tasty and extra good. So, let's get cooking. We'll need 4 cups of refrigerated day-old leftover rice. Do not use fresh made rice, only refrigerated day-old rice. Loosen it up. On a wok set to high heat, we'll add some oil and cook 2 chicken breasts that we diced up earlier. Toss this around until fully cooked. Once fully cooked, we'll set this aside. Then add about half of our rice and chicken back into the wok. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 bunch of green onions chopped up with scissors. Toss and then set aside. Scramble 3 eggs as well. And then with our rice, add about 1.5 cups of frozen peas and carrots. Toss everything together. And then add our special ingredient, 2 teaspoons of dashi. This is a special ingredient that just makes this dish so much better. Dashi adds a strong umami flavor that levels up our chicken fried rice. Add this gradually spread across all the batches of fried rice, and of course feel free to add more dashi if you want a stronger flavor. Definitely make this fried rice in batches unless you have a massive wok. And boom, we have our special chicken fried rice that costs us only $1 per serving. This recipe makes about 12 servings, which is fantastic. I like to meal prep this for busy weeks. If this looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.